So this is our login page for our Pocket Campus application we made for both students and advisor. So the students, they can use their username and password to log in, and it uses a student method to get the information from student list. And same with the advisor, they can use their credentials to log in and recall the method of advisor from the advisors list.
Right, so first we will log in as a student.
Okay, and here in the Pocket Campus app, we are looking at John Lee Doe's profile. As you can see, uh, we've got everything you would need as a student. We have the name, major, the advisor notes, as well as the semester plan, which shows in great detail what semester you should take each of your required courses.
Yeah, so the semester plan basically what it does is it looks at the courses that the student has already taken. It adds that in to the list of what it wants to do for the whole semester, the whole year, and then it looks at the classes that the student can be taking and it chooses those that are recommended to them and to look in and see what they might want to do later on in the year in their later semesters, so they don't need to worry about getting the right classes and making sure their schedule's all worked out. It's all kept in a nice box, right? The back end's all good. If you Should we show the working of the note, like to show that it works if you write one? Actually, we can't because we're on the student page. Okay, but if it was there, it would work. Um, we can do that after then. But no, it looks pretty good, I think. So we're probably set for that. Oh, we can also do the course search. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So the student could look up any course that he wants, and it'll immediately show the pop-up box for that corresponding course based on the code. And the student can read any information. So if they're looking in their semester plan, and they want to know information about a course that they might want to consider taking, that they can ask their advisor about, or put it into their semester plan. It's that simple and convenient for them to do it. You know. So you can't even really tell that I'm not the one using the mouse. It's like flawless. So now we're gonna go back to the home page. We're gonna log out and we're gonna log back in as an advisor. And so I'll pass it back over to Zach or Isaac.
So here is the advisor profile. Very basic information, as the advisor probably already knows much about themselves. It shows their advising list, and it correctly populates based on who is in their list. So they can visit that profile, and it'll show information about the student. They can also search up a course, just like the student. But within the student's profile, they are now able to see their note, and since they're an advisor, they are able to edit it. So we can tell them take CSE 147. Another note says take CSE 147, and it will be there forever. But we can go back.
Okay, welcome back. Starting it over again from the advisor login. We want to demonstrate how an advisor can go in and add a student to their advising list, assuming the student doesn't have an advisor already. This is also showing how, if it's incorrect, the text will show up there. Stevens at mailbox. Oh, forgot the yes. Okay, so here we are at Mark Stevens. As we went over before, you can click on the student advising list here. But let's say we want to add a student to his advising list. So we do somebody like Tawani Hill, who currently doesn't have an advisor. Pull their name up and see here we have the option add student to student list. If you noticed, there isn't an option available for other students. Only advisors can see this. So we go here and add it. Now as you see, it's not here. We have to log out and log back in. And now that we're back logged in, it's had a chance to refresh. And as you can see here, we can go to Tawani's profile. Tawani's advisor is now Mark Stevens, and Mark Stevens now has Tawani as an available student. Thank you for looking over our GUI. This is Different Corner.